In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up pre-filled and hidden form fields in Airtable. We'll walk through two simple techniques that make your forms faster to fill out, more accurate, and easier to analyze. Pre-filled fields for your respondents, and hidden fields for internal tracking. Start by opening the base and table where you want to collect responses, then create a form view. The form view is the version of your table designed specifically for gathering inputs, and it gives you sharing options and controls you won't see in a grid. With the form open, click Share Form and choose Prefill Form Fields. This opens Airtable's Prefill Builder. Select the field you want to prefill. Common choices are things like project name or email, and then type the value you want to appear automatically when someone opens the form. Prefilling is great for guiding people to the right context, reducing typos, and speeding up submission. The value you enter will show up in the form as soon as it loads. Respondents can still edit it if they need to, so use it as a helpful head start rather than a hard lock. Once you've chosen the fields and entered the defaults, Airtable generates a special URL. Copy that prefilled form link and share it wherever you need. On your website, in a message, or embedded in a button. You can create different links with different prefilled values for different audiences or campaigns, which makes it easy to segment incoming responses without adding extra effort for your users. Now let's capture information behind the scenes with hidden fields, which are perfect for internal data like a user ID or a traffic source. In the form editor, click the field you want to hide to open its settings, then toggle the hidden field option at the bottom. When a field is hidden, it won't appear to the person filling out the form, but it can still store a value that you provide through a default or via a pre-filled link. That means you can quietly attach context to every submission without adding clutter to the form. A couple of quick best practices. Keep hidden fields clearly named so your team knows what they track, and remember that hidden is about convenience, not security. Avoid putting sensitive credentials in a form. Pre-filled and hidden fields work beautifully together. Pre-fill what helps the respondent, hide what's only for your records, and you'll get cleaner data with fewer clicks. That's it. Set up your form view, use pre-fill form fields to create shareable links, and toggle hidden on any field you want to keep out of sight.